Oh, this man's actually got fish. Smallmouth.
Man's going in water. Nah, you're vibing, dog. That catches a fish right here, dude. Literally catches one every time. We got the old Ned rig going. We got the old swim bait. He's got a jig on. A little crack and crawl. So you didn't catch a fish, Zach. You're a failure.
Did you say jump? Easy. Let's go, largie. It's actually, dude, it's fat. Got one? Is it a nice one? Yo, double up. Is it nice? Yo. Is it? Yo. Dude's eyeball do not be vibing. That's not a smalling. That's a largemouth. See this horizontal lines? Oh, frick, I just ungot him and then got him.
The eyes.
Gosh dang.
I said it was small.
You said it was a smalling at
I
first.
said it was small.
Hopefully he survives.
I spotted.
Really?
Feel the tongue? It has spikes on it.
Oh, he's going. See ya, buddy. Oh, he's there. He's gone. Bald eagle just chilling. Watching this fish. I think it's just guarding the nest. I don't think it's going to come and try and get it.
Possible, I just get dinked when I walk up to it.
No, I won't. So, update, boys. We got an eagle up there. We saw we think the male or the female. And I think she's on a nest.
Oh, he's moving. She is. The nests are typically really big. So you probably
Everybody's going out there. It's not gonna get it. That poor guy got bodied.
It went right in front of her though.
I told you, you're gonna have to like set it up, let it flop, and then they'll come snatch it. Like they're not just gonna grab it out of the air.
Yeah, they would.
I mean, they have a like, not just when you're throwing it.
Notice there's a fish that just went right in front of it.
They're eagles. They have insane eyes. So.
I mean, yeah, but like, it's probably more concerned about you than the fish. I'm waiting for her to sit down there.
Yo, I just seen that dude come out of nowhere and spike it. I know. Give it a little dangle. What are you saying? Yo, chunky boy. Yo, man, going to town. That was not coming out. Go get it, dog. This man warm.